You need to start now. Hello and welcome to my channel, Edit Again Media. When I decided to do my very own channel, I wanted people to know me, things about me, what I like to do, what I don't like to do, what are my pet peeves, what I'm good at, what I'm not good at. I get different things when I ask people, hey, subscribe to my channel. I'm here because of my love for playing the Sims game, right? And so I go on YouTube. YouTube, I found out, is a platform which is live stream media for how-tos. Because I know I use them so much to look for things like how to install my keyless lock. That's what I did. How to replace your outlets in your home. How to light your furnace, your hot water heater, any other things that I might look at, something that's creative, like those life hacks. I look at those. Do it yourself. I look at those too. I also looked at a few YouTube channels and was very amazed at what they did. It started with wanting to do the Sims so I can do a gameplay. I had people watch me play my Sims, and it ended up that I got into teaching myself video editing, recording and doing edit, creating and throwing in elements and effects and blocking out. All of these things I'm learning on my own, and that was the purpose of my channel, Edit Again Media. Edit Again is a statement saying I'm at it again. I'm never going to stop learning. I'm always willing to learn. I always have to learn something. Doing this video editing, I'm amazed at myself of how far I came since November. November was my first video with how not to be afraid of the camera. And since then, I probably published at least 12 or 13 videos. I have only one on TikTok. Yes, I mentioned that. Instagram account now. I didn't have that. I have TikTok. Didn't have that. I have Snapchat. Didn't have that. My Facebook page, I have my personal for me and my family, but I created one just for YouTube. Here I am is trying to reach out to the audience to see what they want. My audience are people who are looking for information on various things. I'm doing this, watching these videos, and everyone is like, you can make money on YouTube doing this, doing that. But the thing they don't tell you is that it's a lot of work. You can't go at it part-time. This is something full-time, and quarantine was perfect. Those that was at home, yes, this was the perfect opportunity for you. You're out there and you the same way, don't feel bad. But if you're listening to this, that means that you need to start now. You need to start now, building your future. You don't want to be like some 30, 40, 50, 60-year-old person stuck at a job you don't like. I like this. I like this because it makes me feel like I'm in a studio. Get my own show and everything. This what this does to me. This is what quarantine has done. To do some content that we can share with everyone and try to get people to relate. I know I'm not out here by myself. I know I'm not. I'm not going to be out here ranting and raving. I'm here so we could talk through it together. So if you're feeling me right now, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, continue to be there and let's support each other. This here is a thing that we all need to come together and build each other. This platform is the outlet. It's money to be made, and you should be on it. Doing you. Do what you love. You got a unique talent. Share that with someone. You could sing. Share that with someone. You can act. Okay, I can't act. That's what I wanted to talk about today. I think that's all for now. I just had to get that out of my system before I forget. Until then, you take care. And again, hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you. I could talk to you about getting life insurance. I have license for that. I can talk to you about, hey, you love this guy so much, why don't you guys get married? I'm an ordained minister, helping you to get your credit correct without paying someone to do it for you. I could talk to you about that. I could talk to you about how I purchased my first home at 33, single parent. I could talk to you about that.